Hello, good news. I'll be running a 24 hours free TikTok ad on your page to get you at least 1,000 video views with any video of your choice if you join my TikTok ad masterclass this week. Click the button around this video or on the link on my bio to get started. Sorry, this is for the first 50 persons only. Yes, I couldn't have missed that part. So to be among the first 50, click the button around this video or on the link on my bio to get started. Beyond running TikTok ad for as low as 1,000 naira with proven results, I've also enrolled in paid trainings on TikTok ad, and I can tell you for the fact that I know what other pros know as well as what most of them don't know. And in this training, I'm going to be revealing every secret from A to Z. The greatest benefit of TikTok ad as of today, in my opinion, is that it has come to the rescue of millions who waste their time every day visiting different growers and also waste their money in the name of gifting only to get followers that will not follow them the next minute. Now with TikTok ad, you can with a little amount get as many followers and video views as you want. But to get the best with TikTok ad, you need to get it right from the setup. So in this training, you'll be learning how to optimize your page and your videos before running ads so that you can get engagement beyond just views. Things like following, commenting, sharing, and the likes. I'm going to be showing you how to discover hidden interests and keywords that will make your ad stand out. You'll be learning how to set up custom replies and automate them like the one you see on my bio, such that when people DM you on TikTok, they will get instant replies to know what next to do even if you are not online to attend to them. You will also learn from me how to set up effective WhatsApp link that people can click and get through to you, not the one they will click and they will be asked to download WhatsApp, which they already have on their phone. If you are running ad to sell a product, whether your own product or an affiliate product, I'm going to be sharing with you tips that will help you sell with ease. If you want to take it further to Ad Manager using the TikTok website, I will also guide you on how to set up TikTok Ad Manager account right from Nigeria or anywhere outside the United States. I will also show you TikTok recommendation for targeting specific location with your ad. This one is a special bonus for only those who enroll in this training before this weekend. Hello, good news. I'll be running a 24 hours free TikTok ad on your page to get you at least 1,000 video views with any video of your choice if you join my TikTok ad masterclass this week. To be among the first 50, click the button around this video or on the link on my bio to get started. See you in class. Also, if you enroll before this weekend, you will be getting the full package at 60% discount off. Once you enroll, an email will be sent to you with a link to the course area so that you can gain instant access and join other students in class. To enroll, click on any link you see around this video or on my bio. See you in class.
You're welcome, sir. I appreciate. Now you do pass, you get, because you know there is for you to sell the course for low amount, and not only that, even they put me through. Because I know many people who say once you pay them, once they deliver what you paid for, that one also low. If you have any misunderstanding or we say you don't really understand, that one for your pocket, you get. But at least they ask you questions, they put me through, I understand how it works. So I really appreciate it, sir.
I'm not quite sure you understood what happened with that WhatsApp voice note, okay? This was a guy who bought my TikTok ad course, that's Ad Mastery Plus, okay? And then up here he was saying, that was a few days later, he was saying, Omo, thank you, sir. I really appreciate, my ad is massive. Then he dropped a disappearing video, okay? Which I opened here, okay? WhatsApp has disappearing video, so I opened it here. Then I came here to say, so happy to know. Then he dropped a voice note, which I wouldn't want to play. And we continued our conversation. Then the next day, he now came and said, good evening, send me your account details, make I show love. Okay, so I wasn't sure what he was talking about because this was a guy who had paid for the course. Okay, so I said, well done, sir. Then I went on to appreciate him. I had to send my account details to him, and then he transferred an amount that was quite higher than what he paid for the training. And so I will thank him here. I'm thanking him. He then dropped this voice note that you just heard. Okay, so that was how good this guy felt about the ad. Okay, for me, this was quite rare. I've never seen it in this manner before. Actually, personally, I've not done it to anybody. That I will buy your training and much later I'll come to pay you, and not even pay you a small money, is money past what I paid to buy the training. I've never seen it in this manner before. I was so overwhelmed. Okay, but let's continue with the feedbacks.
Yes, I did. Oh, I did go through it. I'm not sure I have finished everything. I think I have finished like up to 4. Or yes, I find this so interesting. Like I learned quite a lot. I didn't even know it's something that I can actually do like that. Do you understand? I love the way you took your time to explain it in detail. Like even a common